With the onset of monsoon, it was time to hit the road and visit Ramanagar to trek the huge monolith seen from the newly built Bangalore-Mysore Expressway. Ramanagar is a great place for trekkers of all levels, from seasoned pros to adrenaline-seeking beginners. This particular hill is located about 50 kilometers from Bangalore, and the best time to visit it is during the late monsoon or winter season in the early morning. Good morning everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Akshay Joshi and today we are in Ramanagar. Now I am no stranger to Ramanagar because I've been here many times and done lots of hikes here, and the one which you see right behind me is called Handi Gundi. This is probably the last one which was pending for me to conquer. So I'm here on a nice rainy morning along with my friends and we're going to go to the top of Handi Gundi. I know it's been a while, but hopefully you enjoy this video and let's get the video started. And I'm here with Omkar, and if you remember, Omkar and me actually climbed Madhugiri Fort, so he's going to be joining me along with Ashima, his wife, and we're going to be going on Handi Gundi. How does it feel, Omkar?
Amazing, great morning like the one we had earlier. I think amazing drive, good weather, so very excited to go to the top, have some food, enjoy, sit there, soak in all the view and just enjoy rest of the day.
Well said. So let's make our way and go to the top. Now we are making our way through this grassland over here. It's a little difficult to find the actual trail, but I think we're on the right track. So let's go, let's continue and see. So it's a beautiful morning and it's a foggy day, might rain a bit, and what you see right in the background is the Sholay Hills. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it right here so you can go and check that out as well. For now, we are going to make our way up before it actually starts to rain. After some time, we realized we probably went on the right trail, and I decided to fly my drone to survey the area and determine if we could continue on this adventurous but dodgy trail. It looked like it was possible to climb a bit and join the original trail, but that meant we had to climb through the boulders you see here. I recommend you take the original trail that follows the ridgeline, as it is much easier than this one. So that's where we are coming from. Camera mein zyada steep nahi lag raha hai, but it is quite steep, maybe about 60 degrees possibly. And we gotta go up there. And that's Omkar, which you see right here, making his way through the boulders. यही होता है, यही नतीजा है जब तुम गलत रास्ते से जाते हो. But it's a little adventurous, don't you think? Comment below if you guys would take the ridgeline वाला path या the more adventurous path जहाँ पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं. And I can see the ridgeline finally. I think we are on the right track. Whew, that was a steep climb. Just take a look at the view behind. It is breathtaking and there's like a full open grassland over here, so we're able to soak in the views fully from here. You can even see the Mysore Expressway, which is just recently built. It's a perfect morning for a beautiful hike like today's. Having found the right path, we took a break to enjoy the view and relax for a while. The peak was just 10 minutes away from here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there is the train going through, and that'll go to Bangalore. And it'll be pretty cool to be sitting over there and seeing all these mountains next to you. Subah utho and then you can just see them right next to you. About to reach the top now. The top is right there. Whew, it's been a good hike. Let's go up and see the view from top. That's the Mysore Bangalore highway you see over there. Far out, but looks pretty nice. About to reach the peak now. You can see Omkar and Ashima far out over there. Okay, so we have finally made it to the peak. Took about one and a half hour, pure 360 degrees. You get a nice view of all those small rocky mountains over here. It's all green, so the best time would be to come in monsoon or just post monsoon. Winter also would be pretty cool, but I think us waqt foggy fog hoga. Either way, you guys know the drill. We're at the peak. It's time to fly the drone and get you those cinematic shots. Let's go. It's time to enjoy some poha with a view now. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Comment below and let me know if you are planning to come over here. Until next time, have a good one.